Okay, so here's what we're going to do today, guys. I'm going to teach you how to draw Among Us. So what you're going to need is a piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser in case you mess up. Okay, sometimes that happens. That's why it's good to have a strong, independent eraser. So we're going to draw large on our paper. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to draw a square. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with drawing a square. We're drawing really lightly so that if we mess up, we can fix it. Okay. So we're going to all start off with drawing a square. This is sort of the way that we are going to construct the Among Us form with different shapes. Okay. Okay. So the second thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw sort of like the top part of the head. And this is like a half circle, a hemisphere, if you will. So we are going to draw this curved line. Sort of like that. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw the legs. So these are going to be small rectangles. I like how the Among Us characters are really really individualized, like on the game. If your parents allow you to play it, you can like change up what you wear, like a hat or something. So those are the legs. So these are like rectangles, but we rounded them. Okay. Now, I know it looks a little strange that we have these lines here. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our eraser, and anywhere that we want these lines to look, or excuse me, these shapes to look like that they are together, we will erase like that. Sometimes you have to take the different shapes and put them together. And now we have the proper shape, and we can go back and redo those. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do the visor, or like the front. So we're going to come up here and draw sort of like an oval, like this, kind of rounded. It doesn't have to be perfect. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw another shape that's similar to the one that we just did for the visor, but this one we're going to do up here. This is the reflection. Now to finish this up, we're going to do the backpack. If you look right here, I did want to point out, as one of my intelligent students let me know, is this here is a smaller shape. It's very similar to this larger part of the visor that we did. This is going to be the reflection, and we can do some shading over here. Now the last thing that I'm going to show you how to do is the backpack. Okay, and usually whenever we're looking at Among Us, we can see their backpack, but usually it's just from one side. Okay. Now, one of the things, like I mentioned earlier, that I really like about the Among Us is the fact that you can individualize. You can add other things that you might like. Like I've seen some of them that have like a plant on there, or they you know, they have different hats that they can wear. Sometimes I've seen them with scarves. So at this point in the video, you guys can start adding different things to your Among Us. If you want, I'll show you how to do like the one where they're holding like a little, looks like a little aloe plant. I'm not sure if that's what it is. But if you wanted to do that, and you would do, let me zoom in on this. You're going to do a sort of ellipse, which is also like looks like a squished circle. And I'm going to erase right here because it's overlapping. Now, at this point, if I wanted to turn it into a cup of hot chocolate, like I know some of them are carrying the hot chocolate, you could do that. But this is going to be sort of the aloe plant. So I'm making it into a pot, the planter. And then this is rounded like here. Now, anywhere that you see this line inside this shape that you just did, you're going to erase that because it's overlapping. Oops. All right. And then you can do like a little lip back here. If you wanted to do, let me zoom in a little bit. If you wanted to do the sort of plant that was coming up, a plant comes from the very center usually, and all of these little leaves are going to come from start from the same area, and then you can bring it back down. Now that's all that we have time for today, boys and girls. The alarm's going off, so I'm going to let you finish this one by yourself. Have a great day.